Today, let's make an event album on Picaggo. First, type in events.picaggo.com on your browser and log in using your Apple or Google accounts. You will land on a homepage where all your Picaggo event albums will be listed. To create a new event, click on Create Event in the top right corner. Type in your event name, host name, event category, and the timings. Click Next, and you will be able to add a cover photo for the album. If you have created an event that doesn't start immediately, you will find options to add an invitation message to your guests and collect RSVPs before the event. You can also create different albums for every sub-event. Once you hit Create Event, you will be able to see the new event pop up on your homepage. That's how you create an event. Write to us at friends.picaggo.com for any queries.